You're not expected to be 100% billable here at Envoc because we want to give it away. So part of that is allowing our developers to go instruct other developers, whether it's in a high school or a college or even at another company. We love to give our knowledge away. It shows that we are the experts, the professionals in the room, and it's part of our mission to give that knowledge away.
Envoc works significantly with Southeastern's computer science department in the 383 class. The classes there are able to experience a little bit of the creating software for somebody else as a project class that lasts the duration of the semester. After I graduated and started working full-time, they needed somebody else to come in and sort of assist the class. The whole goal is to have somebody who is in the industry walking through technologies, processes, problems, to throw wrenches at the students. It's been really enriching to be able to work with students. We've hired a lot of Southeastern graduates. Having a class that's directly useful to those students has been very fulfilling.